Hello and welcome to our second grading tutorial video, this time using DaVinci Resolve 16 to achieve a commercial beauty look. This is a really fast-paced shoot we had for one of our beauty and skincare clients. So we wanted a free, fresh, bright look, and this is how we achieved it. So you can see here the end result, and before, straight off the Blackmagic URSA Mini. A really nice camera, but it does need a little bit of work just to get this look. So this is how we achieved our commercial beauty look. So we'll start by adjusting our raw settings. So I know this was shot at 500K, so we'll just go in and make this a little bit cooler. We'll also change this to extended video to give us a good starting platform. Then we're just going to bring in a little bit more in the shadows. It's a little bit overexposed, and just bringing those down so your parade is just touching the floor. There, and again with the highlights, we're just going to bring those up very slightly, just so they're clipping a little bit in there in the background. That's the kind of look we're going for here. So the next thing we'll do is just take out some of this tinting in the whites, and we'll do that with our saturation versus saturation over here. We'll just make a mark there. You can see where it starts to fall off. Just bring that down. That's going to make the whites white and the black black. Okay, so let's do our LUT and our saturation. So create two more nodes, and these should work in tangent together. So the LUT is available on our website to download. It's specifically for this look, and it works really well with the Blackmagic camera. So it's a subtle LUT, and it does require some additional saturation, but this must go before the LUT. So just bring that up, I'd say to about 60 on this one. And you can see the skin tone's really starting to shine now. So that's looking pretty good. The next thing we're going to do is utilize DaVinci's face refinement tool. So we'll just find that in the effects here. And what that will do is we'll just let that analyze through. You can see it's tracking really well on this clip with the definition we've got. But what we're going to do is just going to brighten the eyes. So you can go down to eye retouching here, zoom right in, and turn off the overlay there. Okay, so go down to eye retouching here, and we're just going to sharpen the eyes a little bit. And we're going to brighten the eyes just to give them a little bit of flair. We're also going to do a little bit of eye bag removal. Doesn't need much here, but this is a beauty commercial, so we just want to remove that. So you can see there before and after, just really making those eyes pop. We're also going to add a little bit into the lips, a little bit of saturation into the lips. Don't overdo it there, that looks crazy. But just a touch there, and then also smooth out the skin very slightly. So you can see you don't want to overdo it, you still want to have that definition, but it's just going to smooth out the colour and the light. So that's looking really good, and so far from where we started. The last step is just to apply a little bit of sharpening. So again, I'll drag this down to 45, and I'll sharpen tab and bring that one up to 30. And you can see that's just bringing some definition back in, but we're not bringing in any more wrinkles because we've removed that with our face refinement tool. So there you go, a really quick and easy commercial beauty look. It's perfect for a skincare product like this. And again, go and download the LUT, it's in our description, see what you think, try it out, and let us know how you get on.